breakfast time. Nice and healthy. What is it?
Cinnamon cake.
50 cents cinnamon cake.
Bloody gorgeous. They're like muffins.
Right. Hello, and welcome to a new vlog. We're spending the day. Hello. I'm not pointing down there because you're not dressed. So we're going to spend the day in Disney. We're going to Blizzard Beach, and then we're going into Ohanas for a meal tonight, and then Magic Kingdom for the fireworks. So a full day of Disney.
We want that from 9 to 9.
Woo! Well, so let's get going. We're here! We're here at Blizzard Beach for the day.
So I'm not sure whether we've been here before. I think this is where we had that thunderstorm we came that time. It looks very familiar.
We're at a water park.
Are we?
Yeah.
What do you do at a water park?
We go.
Right, we need a Disney pass now. Right, we're in Blizzard Beach and they've got some yodeling music on, so you can hear that. Right, so here's our first bit of beach. Waiting for the others to come through. There's a sheriff there. What are you doing on there? Right, so we're going to go in here and ask about a cabana. We're not sure how much they are, but we're going to ask. If there's not too much, we'll get one. Wave pool there. And we've got ourselves plonked there. We've not paid for a cabana because it was $220 for the day. And we're not going to be here for the day because we're going to Ohanas tonight for his meal. So we've got ourselves plonked under this nice little bit of shade on the beach. And now to relax. We're off for a little wander. Nick's a bit warm, baking. It's really nice and sunny today and hot. I've got my new hat on from Tommy Hilfiger.
And I've got no top on.
Nick's got no top on, no sun cream on, no nothing.
Got my shorts on.
He's very sun smart.
Got my shorts on.
So
sunglasses.
We're going to go and find my sister and the girls. They've gone to the little Tykes area for kids.
Should be named Little Shits.
So find out where she is. I've had a nice coffee and we've had a very large cake. In fact, we're just going past where we bought them, so I'll show you what the cake was. It was one of those. So that's what we've had for lunch. Seeing as we're going out to Ohanas later today. So we're not having anything else. I also had a special anniversary Mickey coffee, which was very nice. And what did you have, Nick? Oh, Nick had a refill beer.
That's probably what zonked me out.
So let's go and find the girls.
But I need to have another one to make up for the money, otherwise I've actually lost money. So I must have another beer.
So these are the cabanas. They're not called cabanas. What are they called, Nick?
Polar patios.
They're called polar patios, but it was $250
$50 a day.
No, $225 was it?
No, it's $250 a day.
Oh, about $220 to $250 a day, which
That's why we're all empty.
yeah, I don't think it's worth it, to be honest. Not when we've got like one of these to sit under anyway. You get a nice view of the lazy river, but don't think it's worth the money. So they've been playing Christmas music, which is quite nice. Right, here we go, Tykes Peak. So the girls are in here somewhere. Here's the lazy river, which we went round earlier. So you can see the patios get a nice view. Obviously, everybody thinks it's a bit of a rip-off because there's none of them are busy.
We need to load the prices, they'd actually sell more.
Yeah. Woo! Right, so we're back in Disney World.
For date night.
For date night, we're going to the Polynesian Village Resort for our Ohanas meal. So we've never been here before, so hopefully this will be nice. I am peckish. Right, we've found the main entrance. So here we go. Polynesian Village. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. So we're going straight upstairs to the Ohanas restaurant because we're not late, but cutting it a bit fine. Right, so we're just waiting to be taken to our table. We're waiting on these nice chairs. And then we'll go through for our meal. Woohoo! Our table is ready. Here we go. Right, so we've been brought to our table. We've got the pineapple bread already. And that is a great view. You can just see the castle out there. So you could watch the fireworks here if you wanted to. So I'm going to just see what I'm going to have to drink now. Right, so we've only been sat down about 2 minutes and the salad has come out. It's got cranberries in it and things, and we've got some sauces for the skewers, which are going to come soon. Nick's took it into the bread. I'm just going to have one little piece to try. Okay, 30 seconds later and the starters have turned up and it's huge. Look how big it is compared to Nick, and this is just appetizers, oh my lord. So I don't know what we've got, but obviously chicken wings.
Chicken wings and some kind of stir fry and some noodles.
Oh my goodness, this looks so nice, and that salad is beautiful. We've just been bought sweet and sour chicken on skewers. It's all absolutely beautiful. Now we've just been bought steak. Oh, this could take a while.
Holy shit.
Bread pudding, and it's so much bigger than it looks. It's like humongous. Is that mine then? I don't know when yours is coming, but keep your hands off mine.
Oh my god.
Try it and see what it's like.
I don't care what it's like, I'm having it.
Here we go.
Oh yes.
I want to see you try it, see what you think. Taste test. Mmm. Nice. Mmm. Yummy. Creamy.
Caramelly. Not much cinnamon.
Yum. How was that dessert? That was I talk for. Wonderful. left of it. We can't heat it. Although that ice cream is beautiful. I can't leave that ice cream. That ice cream is absolutely gorgeous.
Look at that sun setting on the lake over there.
Beautiful. Right, we're heading out of Ohanas.
We've been in less than an hour. 6 months to book it. We've been in less than an hour.
Very good service. Very fast.
And very expensive.
It was expensive, but we knew it was going to be expensive. But it was nice.
It's a fantastic resort.
Very nice resort.
Has all the extra touches that you would expect from something that Disney had done.
Very Hawaiian. Right, so we've come out of the Polynesian Hotel Resort. There's Cinderella's castle. So this is the beach on the Polynesian Resort.
Monorail in the background.
Monorail
like
there.
Typical
Disney
travel
scene.
video, innit?
If we wanted to, we could stay here and watch the fireworks from the castle, but we're going to go and take the boat that's coming and go meet the family.
So the boat's turning up there, and we're going to catch that. We're going to go to the other side of that island there, which is where Cinderella's castle is. Here, one of the ugly sisters. So,
Here's the boat.
let's get on it. Let's get on it. Let's get on it.
Have you back on the other side? Okay. Good, yeah.
Right, so we're on the boat and we're heading across to Magic Kingdom from the Polynesian Resort, where, as Lee said in the last scene, I'll put my head in the light. We're going to meet up with the kids, get the keys for the car, head back on the monorail to the car, so we can get our joggers and our coats ready for the fireworks at 8 o'clock tonight. Yeah. In about 3 hours from now. Yeah, 2.5 hours. 2.5. Yeah, there's the American flag. Yeah. The sunset behind us. How idyllic is that?
The row of lodges there, the Polynesian lodges,
Look like our lodge on stilts.
yeah.
Right, that was a slog. So we've had to catch the monorail, back to the car, get changed, then back again. That was about an hour ago, wasn't it? When we set off. So we're just walking back into Magic Kingdom now. We've actually got a ride booked in the Haunted Mansion, so we're going to head straight up there now. And then once we're out, we're going to go and meet the kids ready for the fireworks show at the end of the night.
So we'll show you what Magic Kingdom looks like at night now with a nice montage.
Ooh, montage.